What's up, guys? Pandora, the postcard diva. How's everybody doing? And we're back. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, please smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, guys. If you look in your right hand corner, you'll see a little red square that says subscribe in the screen, on the screen. Go ahead and smash that for me. Thank you so much. Like the video, please, and thank you. All right, guys, we're back. I want to do a quick update. I've been talking about this system, Mega Marketing Pro. Okay, and I did a mid update, if you will, beginning when I first kind of got started with it. All my traffic has run now. I just want to come back and talk about this system real quick. This system. Okay, let's get some understanding. For some reason, people think this system is they sign up for free and they can make money just with this system itself, that it generates commissions. This system doesn't generate any commissions. It's a free system that you would use if you have other opportunities you're trying to promote. Okay? If you have other opportunities you're trying to promote, you use this free system on the front end because it's free, because it comes with capture pages where you can capture the leads and lead people in to your primary business, whatever it is you're trying to promote. And that's where your money is going to be made on your primary business. For instance, I'm in Digital Wealth Pros. I'm in a lot of other programs. If people decide to join me, they come through this system. They see those opportunities, decide to join me, they will pay, okay, instantly via that system, and I'll receive the payment. But I'm promoting digital products, okay, instant pay programs on the inside. Use this on the front end because it's free. It offers something to people for free, okay, and it also offers them this free tool here. This is a lead magnet. You use this to lead people into your primary business. This is a feeder system, a lead magnet, okay? So if you don't have anything to promote, right, you can go check this out, look inside and see what I'm promoting, and perhaps you want to join one of those business opportunities. But this system is not like it's not like a Conversion Pros. Okay, Conversion Pros, you pay $50. It's not free though. You join for 2 weeks. You get a free trial. Okay, and then if you upgrade and pay $50 when you refer others to your Conversion Pros system, the company pays you $25. Okay, this system doesn't generate that. It's not an affiliate program where you're going to earn off of Mega Marketing Pro. But it's a great system to feed into your business opportunity. Hope that makes sense. All right. So, great system. I like it a lot because I can promote up to 10 of my business opportunities. I can lead people in this door. This is a door. I lead them in with the free system. This video plays and explains how they're going to get a free system. It explains how they're going to get a free download. Once people enter in the door, okay, they're going to see my business opportunities. Once I'm going to show you the sales page, and then once they log into the back office, they'll see all the opportunities. Okay, so check this out. Okay, so see when you opt in, and you're going to receive an email, okay, you're going to get this page right here. See how this pops up? It's a pop-up. I like that. So it tells the person, hold on, don't go to the next page. Making money has never been easy. See, that's promoting my other opportunity, one of my other opportunities. See how it's promoting your other business opportunity? Your business opportunity, period. Whatever it is, you can promote up to 10. But the first one is going to show up here. So say someone's on this page. So now they need to fill this out. They need to register to get the free system. Okay, so it's going to send them here. Free video reveals how this 100% free marketing system is generating full-time incomes from home. Download your free viral report to learn how our team is able to generate thousands of hits a day using this free viral rebrandable system. So this is what I'm saying. So it takes them here, that pop-up pops up, and it's going to show them my business opportunity. Okay, now also they're getting emails from me. They're going to get the email autoresponder. But what you have to do is you have to check your email and verify your email if you want to get this system, guys. Okay, so check your spam, check your email, and verify it in order to get the system. But this system is worth it. It's free. Number one, you're going to promote up to 10 of your opportunities. So they see that. Now let's go to, once they decide, hey, well, you know what? I want the free system. Let me just register. I'm not paying a dime for it. Once they do that and they log in their back office, this is what they see. Okay, they get here, right? And look, you can see your leads of everybody that signed up with you in the Mega Marketing Pro. You've got tools here to help you promote this marketing system, the free system that's going to lead people to your business. Banners, splash pages, email swipes, and share codes, okay, of many capture pages, okay? Because the goal is, okay, we're resetting, okay? So we're going to act like you don't know anything. You need to capture leads, guys, if you want to build a business online. You need a marketing system, number one, period. Okay, forget anything. Forget what you heard. Start over. You need a marketing system. Here's one that you can use if you already have business opportunity, a business opportunity you're trying to promote. If you don't, then go check mine out. Go enter your information and see. I've got up to 8 or 9 in this system. Okay, but if you already have a business opportunity, this will help you. Then this leads into a great autoresponder via LeadsLeap. LeadsLeap has a free version and they have a pro version. Doesn't matter. Pick one, get in, link it here. This back office has step-by-step. It's going to tell you exactly how to link everything up. Okay, right here. So back to this. Now they're here and it says what? Step 1. Okay, step 1. What do I need to do? Follow this step. Set this up step by step. Walks you through it. Easy breezy. Go here, join the Facebook group. Okay, but follow the steps here to help you set this up. Really easy. Now, if you look, all this showing right here is my sponsor's information. This is what this does for you. When folks become a member of this system and they get here in their back office, they see your information. See, check out my businesses. This would be your businesses that other people would see. Okay, so since I'm in my back office, I see what my sponsor has going on. Okay. See, check it out. They're saying, check it out, check it out. They're just putting it all in your face, right? Now, you keep going. It says, join your sponsor's business below. Okay, that's what it's telling me. Check out my sponsor. Check out my sponsor. So this is how you're going to be able to promote your other business opportunities by using this free system. All right, and then right here, this is where I added all my business opportunities or whatever it is I want to promote. You click this button, add your businesses. You can add up to 10. Okay. Then you come down further. It even says here, join LeadsLeap. Join your sponsor. Okay. So I did that. Now, again, they have the free version and then they have the pro version. Okay. Either one will still work with this system. Of course, the pro, you're going to get a little more. And you earn commissions whether you're a free or a pro. Okay, you earn 25% commissions if somebody joins LeadsLeap Pro, and you earn 50% if they join LeadsLeap Pro. Okay, but either way, you can get Mega Marketing Pro for free and LeadsLeap free version. So of course I joined it. I plugged in my LeadsLeap info. Click save. All right, and so here is where all the business opportunities I want to promote here. So you're always having your business out front. This is what this system is doing for you. Okay, as you can see, they give you the steps. Step 1, there's a video. Step 2, and then it tells you get traffic. They list traffic in here. They have traffic that they will refer you to. You may also already be a member of those traffic sources. If you are, plug your usernames in there. Okay? And when folks come in and log in, they will see those. They purchase the traffic and you get a commission. Okay? So they tell you that, step 2. Then step 3, automate everything. And they show you how to do that, all with this free system. All right? Now let's look at my leads here. I'm going to cover this up. Hang on a second. Okay, I'm just going to cover this up so it doesn't show people's names and email addresses, but you can see right here where folks have actually signed up for the free system. You'll be able to see all your referrals in that leads tab. Just click it. All right. All right, guys. So they also have all these capture pages. Okay, the share codes here. They're saying right here, grab over 30 more LeadsLeap share codes. See? Right here, here are the links to promote. Look at this. So you just click here, guys, and you will see all these pages, okay, that's in here for free that you can create. And you can edit these, okay? I've already made a couple different pages. I've edited some of these, and then I've actually made my own from the system as well. And yes, I am still in the Conversion Pros. I've been in with that system for 3 years. It pays me residual. Okay, so this is just another system that I can use to help promote everything in one shot, one link, boom, traffic, all my opportunities, and I give away something for free, so I still use TCP. Okay, so but look at all these pages that you get. Okay, so it's a plethora of good content in here. Okay, so you go check this thing out. Now let's get into let's look at some results. Let's see, hang on. All right, I purchased a 200 click ad, okay, for this system. Okay, now I've since created my a capture page specifically for one business opportunity. I want to see how that works with this page, and I created an email follow-up series for it as well, but I want to use something different. So anyway, here's 200 clicks that I created just for the mega marketing system. Let's see what we got going on. Hang on. All right, so let's look at this. Now it has an autoresponder because, like I said, we tied LeadsLeap into the Mega Marketing Pro, okay, by following the steps that Mega Marketing Pro shows you how to tie those two together. All right, so look at all the leads that have come in, and it also shows what, look, some folks have got the LeadsLeap system. That's what it's saying here. Referral, opt-ins, congratulations, you got a new referral. Then of course this system gives you lessons. It's a good tool, okay? You should have in your arsenal. Congratulations, another referral. Opt-ins. You see all this? Now let me show you where my traffic, right here, running that traffic. Of course it ran over a few days, right, for a couple of days. But look at all the, look, on December 31st, that's New Year's Eve, I had 62 people to opt in. To what? Let me show you what they opted into. To this page. This is what I ran my traffic to, this page. Okay? To this page. Right here. So let's get back to that. Okay, so that's New Year's Eve, 62, and as you can see, they come, you know, they've been coming through 5, 62, 2. Then you got your lessons here going into LeadsLeap. All right, now let's go look at something else. Hang on. Okay, it's gonna say Ed because he owns Mega Marketing Pro, but right here it says someone you referred has signed up. 20 sign-ups right here. See right here, 4, 2, 20. People are signing up for the system. People are signing up for LeadsLeap. And then if they do LeadsLeap Pro, I earn commission on that. So guys, yes, this was definitely a success because now think about that. Oh, let's go look at LeadsLeap. Let's look at that. Hang on one second. Okay, now check this out. Here is the list, if you will, for the mega marketing system I set up, okay, to send that traffic to. And remember, people have to confirm their email. You have people that didn't confirm the email, so we would have had way more. But 72 right here. So I literally right now have 72 people, though, that I never knew. See, view subscribers in the list. Never knew, never had these folks. Brand new people that I can market my business to. Okay, that's what it's about, lead generation. And with this system here, okay, again, you can get the free version or you can get the pro version. Okay, the pro version is only $23. So I can go in here. I don't think you can do this with the free. I'm not sure, but I know with the pro, I can go in here. See right here, it says broadcast. I can send an email broadcast to those 72 people. I can promote whatever I want to them. I can send them an email now directing them to go look at some other business opportunity, right? You know, and I have their emails. I can more than likely export them out and put them into TCP or wherever I want them to go. So that's what it's about, generating leads. A lot of times initially you may not get sales into your business opportunity, your primary, on the first round, but we know this, okay? So, but I'm letting you know, it's about generating these leads. Now I got all these people that I can continue to promote. Now, mind you, this series is going out. In the email, it sends them back, okay, to this page here. Okay, this series right here that we set up is going back to this page, you know, trying to get people here. And remember, I told you when they go here and they try to opt out, it's going to do a pop-up. Okay, it's going to do a pop-up. And in the email, I put in my my signature, I put in a link for them to go and check out an opportunity. So you can put whatever you want in your email series. You can edit that and put, you know, extra information. And that's what I did. So I'm always going to be sending them back here. And then also at the bottom of the email, telling them to go or buy some traffic. See, that's the other thing. And we're getting paid on traffic too, guys. Okay. So this all goes hand in hand. You get folks in the business. Now you got to send them to get traffic. When you refer them to get traffic, you have your own affiliate link. And when they buy traffic over and over and over, you earn commissions on that as well. This all ties in together. You can use this system here to lead them in because it's free. All right. So with that being said, please go check out this system. The link is in the description. All right, guys, go check it out. And if you decide to sign up, please follow the steps that they give you in here. These steps start here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Step by step, easy breezy, very simple. All right, guys. With that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, guys, till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Happy New Year. Let's get it. Let's go.